Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today you will be watching Madras sambar masala powder. Ingredients needed: red chillies 80 grams, Kashmiri chillies 20 grams. Here I have taken Kashmiri chillies because to reduce hotness of sambar powder and to enhance a color of the sambar powder. These chillies give nice color to our sambar powder. Coriander seeds 100 grams and 1 spoon of peppercorn, and fenugreek seeds 1 spoon, cumin seeds 2 spoons, Uraddal 2 spoons, and Bengal gram also 2 spoons. Preferably compounded asafoetida has to be used. Due to unavailability, I am using powdered hing. Here all the ingredients I am showing. Firstly, add peppercorns, fenugreek seeds, and cumin seeds. Dry roast. After dry roast, transfer into a bowl. This will give distinct aroma to our sambar powder. Now we'll transfer it. Now add Bengal gram, that is chana dal and urad dal, and dry roast it till the raw smell goes. Now transfer it. Now take Kashmiri chillies, add some oil, and fry it. Follow the same process and then transfer it. Now add our red chillies and add some oil. And fry it 3 to 4 minutes. Now add our last ingredient, that is coriander seeds. Now I am adding some oil. Now pour our dhania seeds. Fry it nicely. Let all the ingredients cool for few minutes. Now add all the ingredients in a mixie jar and make it fine powder. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. After subscribing, press the bell button to get my latest updates. Add 1 spoon salt to it. And 1 spoon full powdered hing. Now our Madras sambar powder is ready.